Kia ora. We know as a country we produce too much waste, and that rubbish ends up littering our environment or piling up in landfills, contributing to our carbon emissions. On top of that, our recycling rates are low compared to other countries around the world with better systems. It's time to take action to create a future in which everybody reduces waste, reuses materials and recycles as much as possible. That's why we're consulting on 3 connected proposals to transform recycling in Aotearoa, New Zealand. First, a scheme that encourages people to return their drink containers so that they can be recycled. Second, improving curbside recycling so that we can recycle the same materials in different parts of the country. And third, providing for households and businesses to separate food scraps for composting and for animal food, as this will help reduce greenhouse gases and address climate change. We really look forward to hearing back from you on these proposals. Let's make it easier for everyone to do the right thing, to reduce waste, to recycle, to value our natural resources, and to protect Te Taio, our environment.